love. Ever looked at those girls on your feed with flawless, sculpted faces and thought, how is your jawline sharp even when you yawn? Meanwhile, we're out here doing all the skincare, the makeup, drinking the matcha, even manifesting. And still, our face says, cute, not model off-duty divine. But here's a secret. It's not about perfection. It's about facial harmony, the hidden glow-up code no one tells you about. Facial harmony isn't about changing your features. It's about enhancing what you already have with a few mindful tweaks. And the best part? It only takes a few minutes a day. Let's start simple. Grab your favorite oil, jojoba, rosehip, or even aloe vera gel. Always start from your neck. Gently sweep down to help drainage. For jaw definition, use your thumbs to sculpt from your chin to your ears like you're shaping clay. Massage under your cheekbones from nose to ear. This lifts and depuffs. Glide your fingers gently around your eyes and eyebrows to fake 8 hours of sleep. And don't forget, upward strokes on your forehead to release all that tension from scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m. Now, a few tiny habits that make a huge difference. Stop sleeping on the same side every night. Don't always chew on one side. Balance is key. Quit resting your face on your hand like you're in a soap opera. Do your facial massage daily, just like brushing your teeth. Fix your posture. Your double chin is watching. Take weekly selfies. Trust me, the glow up is real. Girl, this is your sign. You don't need filters, fillers, or Photoshop. Just your hands, your face, and a little love every day. Your future self will thank you. Now go sculpt that masterpiece. And if you love this, like, comment, share with your glow up besties. See you in the next video.